Have you ever heard about that you exactly looks like your father or mother? So, what is the reason behind it? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that contains the genetic code of organisms. These includes animals, plants, birds, protists, archaea, and bacteria. In 1953, the detailed structure of DNA was finally worked out at Cambridge by Francis Crick and James Watson. Watson and Crick were awarded the Nobel Prize jointly with Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. Structure of the DNA. The above shown figure is called Watson and Crick model. Most DNA molecules consist of two biopolymer strands coiled around each other to form a double helix. The two DNA strands are known as polynucleotides since they are composed of simpler units called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of a nitrogen containing nucleobase adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine. According to base pairing rules, A with C and C with G, hydrogen bonds bind the nitrogenous bases of two separate polynucleotide strands to make double-stranded DNA. Do you know length of the DNA extracted from a single cell will be 2 meters. The size of a cell is 0.09 micrometers length. We can't able to see the cell with our naked eye, but it consists of 2-meter length DNA. It means if we take out DNA from 10 trillion cells of our body and stretch it out from end to end, the length is enough to reach Pluto from Earth and returns Earth. All the humans in the world constitutes 99.9% of same DNA. Remaining 0.1 causes difference in our color, height, shape, etc. The genetic similarity between a human and a banana is 60%, and some of animals are these. UV rays coming from sun or due to some chemicals or narcotics or during smoking time, DNA gets damaged. But our body has self-repair mechanism. It replaces damaged DNA continuously, but sometimes damaged DNA cannot be repaired. This situation is called as mutation. Sometimes it can also lead to cancer. According to a recent study, we may receive effect from our ancestor of 14 generations. This is the reason why some people come up with analogy to their parents or grandparents or uncles or diseases that come inherently from ancestors and only because of the DNA. We have observed some people who acquire arts by birth. Childhood onwards can do mathematical calculations very well. This is due to one of the ancestors have such capability and acquired through DNA. Information regarding our ancestors is stored in DNA. If we are a computer, the DNA is our software. A computer cannot run without a software, and the situation is same in us.